growing plants without soil. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's not as new as you think. Growing plants without soil isn't just modern wizardry. It's an idea that's been around for centuries. Yes, centuries. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating history of hydroponics, where ancient innovation meets cutting-edge technology. Let's start in Babylon, legendary for its hanging gardens, one of the 7 wonders of the world. These gardens are believed to have used an early form of hydroponics, with water flowing through terraces to nourish plants. Now, that's engineering genius. Then there were the Aztecs, who mastered the art of chinampas, floating gardens built on shallow lakes. They turned water into farmland, proving you don't need soil to grow food. Fast forward to the 1930s, when William F. Garrica coined the term hydroponics. He showed the world that we could grow crops on a large scale using nutrient-rich water. It wasn't just an experiment, it was a game changer. During World War II, hydroponics was a lifesaver, literally. It provided fresh food for soldiers stationed on remote islands where traditional farming wasn't an option. And it doesn't stop there. NASA picked up hydroponics to grow food in space, even dreaming of farms on Mars. Down here on Earth, hydroponics powers urban farming, bringing fresh produce to cities, even in skyscrapers. How cool is that? Hydroponics is sustainable too, saving up to 90% more water and reducing the need for harmful pesticides. Sure, the initial setup can be pricey, but the long-term benefits are worth it. So, there you have it. From ancient wonders to interstellar farming, hydroponics is transforming how we grow food. If this inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and join us at Envirevo Agritech for more fascinating insights. Together, we'll grow smarter.